Do you know that hotel housekeepers achieve in 30 minutes what takes you 3 hours at home? And the difference has nothing to do with skill or products, but everything to do with a completely different mindset and methodology? What if understanding this difference could revolutionize your home cleaning forever? I spent a week shadowing hotel housekeepers and comparing their methods to typical home cleaning, and what I discovered will fundamentally change how you approach your own home. Stay with me to the end, because this is genuinely eye-opening. The paradox that puzzled me. Here's something that never made sense to me. Hotel housekeepers clean multiple rooms to perfection in the time it takes me to clean my much smaller home to a mediocre standard. They make it look effortless. Their rooms are consistently spotless. Meanwhile, I'm exhausted after cleaning, and my results are hit or miss. Are hotel housekeepers just superhuman? Do they have access to magical products? Are they working at an impossible pace? Difference 1. Systems versus randomness. Hotel housekeepers follow identical systems for every room. Same sequence, same motions, same products, every single time. They don't decide what to clean based on what looks dirty. They clean everything in a predetermined order that's been optimized for efficiency. Home cleaners work randomly, cleaning whatever bothers them most at that moment, which leads to wasted motion and forgotten areas. I watched a housekeeper clean 5 rooms. Difference 2. Maintenance versus remediation. Hotels clean daily, preventing dirt from ever building up. They're maintaining cleanliness, not fighting accumulated grime. Home cleaners wait until things are visibly dirty, then deep clean. This makes every cleaning session a battle. I tested this difference. For 1 month, I did quick 10-minute bathroom maintenance daily like hotels. The bathroom never got dirty enough to require deep cleaning. Maintenance is easier than remediation every single time. Difference 3. Prevention versus reaction. Hotel housekeepers prevent messes through their setup. They put down protective mats. They use caddies that prevent drips. They organize so items don't fall or scatter. Home cleaners react to messes that could have been prevented. This difference is subtle, but creates compounding advantages. Preventing one mess saves 5 minutes of cleaning. Difference 4. Tools versus improvisation. Hotel housekeepers use professional-grade microfiber cloths, properly designed caddies, and appropriate tools for each task. They bring everything they need in one trip. Home cleaners use whatever's available, make multiple trips to get supplies, and improvise with suboptimal tools. I calculated that I was wasting 15 minutes per cleaning session just walking back and forth to get things I'd forgotten. Difference 5. Speed versus perfection. This difference shocked me most. Hotel housekeepers work fast and aim for guest-ready, not perfect. They know that 90% clean achieved quickly is better than 100% clean that takes forever. Home cleaners often get stuck trying to achieve perfection on one area while neglecting others. I watched a housekeeper spend exactly 90 seconds on a bathroom mirror. It looked great. Not perfect under microscopic inspection, but great. At home, I'd been spending 10 minutes on mirrors trying to eliminate every streak. The efficiency difference was staggering. Applying hotel methods at home. I've spent 2 months applying hotel methods at home. I created standard systems for each room. I maintained daily instead of waiting for disaster. I used prevention strategies. I invested in proper tools. I aim for guest-ready instead of perfect. The results? I spend 60% less time cleaning, and my home looks better than ever. It's not magic, it's just professionalism applied to home cleaning. There you have 5 critical differences between hotel and home cleaning. Systems versus randomness, maintenance versus remediation, prevention versus reaction, tools versus improvisation, and speed versus perfection. If this explained why professionals are so much more effective, smash that like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more professional secrets applied to home life. Share with anyone who struggles with cleaning. Comment which difference shocked you most. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, think like a professional, implement systems, and transform your cleaning forever.